Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on gesture navigation on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, for those of you who want your screen look more wide, you can turn on the gesture navigation so that the button navigation on your screen will get rid and change into gesture navigation, which is make your screen look more wide. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to display. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to navigation bar. And then now you can change from button into swipe gesture or gesture navigation. And so yeah, here's the gesture navigation is already works and your screen will look more wide. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much.